It's that time. Surprise package time, surprise package time. What did I order? I don't know, cause I ordered a long time ago. Surprise package time, surprise package time. That's a small box. I don't know what's in it, but we're about to find out. No, you know what? I'm just going to cancel the whole video now. Nobody needs to know what's inside this box. Yeah, seriously. Tape. I can't get past the tape. I can't find out. What an unusual box. Utility tools for hobbyists. That could be anything under the flippin' sun. Well, that's interesting. There's a package inside a package. What are these things? Oh, ooh. These are some doohickeys I found out about on the the lock-picking lawyer. Supposedly, these things will open up locks. I don't have any nefarious plans in mind, but man, I always wanted some James Bondy tools. Would love to learn how to do this stuff properly, so I can be the escape artist extraordinaire, so I can be Batman. I don't know. I don't actually have any locks on hand to play with these, so I don't even know if these work. But they look neat, and they only cost $10. I think this is what they call a rake. You're supposed to, like, shove it in there and move it around. I don't know how this works, though, because keys aren't, flat. Our keys are flat. Keys aren't cross-shaped, so... Well, I have no idea if these work, and I don't have any lock to show you if they do or don't work, so I guess that's pretty much all I have to say in this edition of a Surprise Package Time. Well, if I get a lock in the future, and I figure out how these work, I'll make a video to show them off. Otherwise, they're just weird, intriguing pieces of metal. So, as iterated before, thus ends another stupendous edition of Surprise Package Time.